If you're just like me and you want locks but you're not ready to commit, I'm gonna hold your hand and tell you to watch this video to the very end. Before we start, here's everything I used: a leave-in conditioner and your old grease called Blue Magic. I am going to put the pictures up here so you can get a visual of what I use, the exact products used. You can use whatever works best for your hair. Swap it for what works for your hair. The key is moisture and hold. So that's the secret to making this last. Now for the twist part, what I did was braid my hair at the roots and then twist the body of my hair. So if you don't know how to braid, just split your hair in 3 places, just the way I did in this video, and go in there and start braiding. And if you want an in-depth tutorial on how to braid, watch the video at the top right corner of your screen. Click there to watch the video on braiding. Now once you're done braiding, you want to shift your hands to the tail of your hair like this, hold it loosely and start wrapping it around. Just twist it like a rope twist. You can do this you can actually even try it out on your hair right now. Take your hair out, grab your hair, braid at the roots and start rope twisting it. That's basically it. And I'm going in for a chunkier look. I want this to mimic, like I said, locks. And if you want it to mimic locks, it needs to be free formed, right? It doesn't need to be tight. It needs to be bulky. You want that bulky feeling that locks give. Just braid until you feel like it's tight enough at the root. Then move your fingers to the tip of your hair and start twisting. Just 1, 2, 1, 2. Just start twisting loosely. Don't twist too tight. Just twist loosely to get that chunky, full vibe and that lock vibe. Now until the end. That's it. That's all. So keep watching until you're able to do this on your own. If you still don't get it on your first attempt, come back here, watch this video and give it a try. I am very generous with my products. I don't think I overthink it when it comes to using products on my hair. So apply your leave-in conditioner. I don't like using gel on my hair. I think I've said it multiple times on this platform. I don't like using gel on my hair at all. I'd rather go in with a hair cream, a hair oil, and my leave-in conditioner. That's all. So besides, it's healthy. And if you feel like the product I'm using is too much, once I rinse my hair out on the shower, the product is gone. So there's no product build up anywhere. It's lightweight, it's not heavy. So this is something you can definitely give it a try.
Oh, baby girl, you don't reach. Make I talk my mind now. I see you every day, oh. But words don't come out somehow. I've been watching you drive by the laundry mat. Every single time you did scatter my heart. I want to say hi, I want to say hey, but your brother's dead there, blocking my way. Don't get me wrong, I know be coward, oh. It's not fair, not pure respect I show. A real man no rush what he cannot control. So I wait for the moment, I wait for my soul. Oh, tell me when will you walk down the street again? Just you alone, so I can come show you what I've shown, babe. When will you walk alone? I need to say hello. Tell me what is missing beside me. Come sway your head and look at me, babe. I am your man. Speak to me, sway your head and look at me. I'm your man. Every time I see you pass, my chest they do bim bim. Your smile they carry on your walk, they do something. Now rehearse my lines and night I practice how to speak. But your brothers come up first and my courage starts to leak. Call me anything, but don't call me afraid. Respect not the language that a good man displays. So if I hold my tongue, it means I hold you high. I'm just waiting for one moment to say hi. Tell me when will you walk down the street again? Just you alone, so I can come show you what say my hello, because baby, I'm your man. Ah, your man. No, 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 no. Yeah. My baby, oh, you only my desire. Yeah. The way you shine, girl, you light my fire. No filter needed, the natural vibe. When I look your way, I just they smile. Yeah. Your skin sweet like morning rain. One touch, you they ease my pain. No debates, girl, you hold my mind. Every little move, you one of a kind. Yeah. Anytime I see you, girl, I they elevate. Hot down, open and off immediate. No need makeup, you perfect, no mistake. Come make I tell you the way I they shake. My baby, oh, you too fine, no debate. Anytime I see you, girl, yeah, yeah, I they elevate. No need makeup, yeah. You perfect, no mistake. Now you be my heart. I no fear replace it. You step in and the room turns sweet. Fine girl, you make my soul repeat. Your laugh they cure what trouble bring. One sweet word and my chest go sing. I go hold you close, I go treat you well. Your love not fire, I no go cool down. From your eyes to your waist, I they lose my sense. Girl, you too red, oh come on, sign. Time I see you, girl, I they elevate. Heart down, open and off immediate. No need makeup, you perfect, no mistake. Come make I tell you the way I they shake. My baby, oh, you too fine, no debate. Anytime I see you, girl, yeah, yeah, I they elevate. No need makeup, you perfect, no mistake. Now you be my heart. I no fear replace. Hold my hand, make we move slow. Girl, you got that soft go glow. I know one stress, I just want stay. If you call my name, I go come your way. My baby, oh, you too fine, no debate. Anytime I see you, girl, yeah, yeah, I dey elevate. No need makeup, you perfect, no mistake. Now you be my heart. I no fear replace it. Kinako, it's our time to shine. Sip slowly, pour the wine. Groupman on the keys, mama on the floor. This is what we came.
Hope you've learned how to install your temporary locks or your 2-strand twist. This is my chunky twist installation. I'm in love with it. It's so exciting to see you, bring your idea to life. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.